Hi, I'm Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at an example of prime factorisation using the ladder method. So here is our example. We want to find the prime factorisation of the number 24 using this ladder method. So I start with the number 24 and I start with the beginnings of my ladder. And what I need to do is divide it by its smallest prime factor. So in this case 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now I'm going to repeat this process. I want to divide the number 12 by its smallest prime factor. So again, divide that by 2 and I get the number 6. Divide number 6 by its smallest prime factor of 2 and I get 3. Divide 3 by 3 and that gets me to the number 1. When I get to that number 1, that's when I know I've finished. I can stop. So now I need to write down my answer. So what I'm going to do is 24 as a prime product of prime numbers is, and I'm going to take all of those numbers that I've just been dividing by. And so 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And now I'm going to simplify that. So that's 2 to the power of 3 times 3. So that's the prime factorisation of 24. Let's have a look at another one. So here I want to do the prime factorisation of 60. So start with 60, divide by 2 is 30, divided by 2 is 15, divided by 3 is 5, divided by 5 is 1. So now I know I can stop and write down the answer. So 60 is equal to all of those divisors being multiplied together. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is the same as 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 5. Now where the prime factorisation method is, with the ladder method, is particularly useful is when you have large numbers. So like 2,700, this is quite a useful way to do it. So I can say, right, 2,700, divide that by 2 is 1,350. Divide that by 2 again, and I get to 675. Divide that by 3 and I get to 225. Divide that by 3 and I get to 75. Divide that by 3 and I get to 25. Divide that by 5, I get to 5. Divide by 5 and I get down to 1. So now I can put that all together for my answer. So 2,700 is all of those ones being multiplied. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. So that's going to simplify to 2 to the squared times 3 cubed times 5 squared. And that's our prime factorisation using the ladder method. Thanks very much for watching.